Do you want to be able to fix meta verification not available on your Instagram? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this until the very end, so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my Instagram app, and as you can see, I'm currently on my Instagram app right now, and the first step is going to be for me to come to my profile right here, as you can see. So now when you're on your profile, then what you need to do after that is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, you're now taken here, which is great. What we're going to do in here is to click where it says settings, so click on settings in here. And perfect, as you can see, we're now taken to this page. What I'm going to do now is to just scroll down until I can see where it says help in here, so click on help. Now I'm going to click where it says reports a problem, so click on reports a problem. Once again, click on reports a problem in here, and then I'm going to click on include and continue to be taken to this page right here, as you can see. So now when you're on this page, then basically in here you're able to contact the Instagram customer support, and they are the ones that can actually fix this problem for us. So we need to write exactly like this to them. So I'm going to write, I am missing the meta verification on my Instagram. I need this to be fixed for my account. So write exactly like this to the Instagram customer support. I am missing the meta verification on my Instagram. I need this to be fixed for my account. Now just click on send in the top right corner. After you have done this, then you need to wait about 1 to 3 business days for the Instagram support to be able to see this, and hopefully after that this should be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.